how to use Basecamp, or how to sign in, or how to sign into your Basecamp right here. So in this video I'll be teaching you how to create an account here on Basecamp. So hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to create an account on Basecamp right here. So to create an account on Basecamp right here, all we need to do is open up our Basecamp right here. Once our Basecamp has been opened up, next thing we need to do right here is click over right here on our, what they call this, on the, alright, here, set it up. Or we could just click our email username to sign in. You can sign in right here. You can open your email right there. Journal@gmail.com. Click on next. Then sign up for your organization. Organization name, click journal. There you go. Email. Type your password. So we need to type your password. Check the password. You're gonna type in password. There you go. The compromise. So 2, 3, then ABC. So it's hashtag ABC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hashtag ABC. I know, hashtag ABC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and ABC. Welcome to Mission for CEO. Okay, let's see my account. So there you go, guys. Not now. There you go, guys. That's how you create the account application to you. Questions. Type it down, question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible. Here, how to rock it, guys. There you guys. See you next one, and thank you, guys.